new series of Datavideo Teleprompter kits all have this smart 15-inch monitor. This all-in-one teleprompter monitor with the dvPrompter Plus app built in. It has a tough metal frame, plenty of inputs and outputs. It is included with the TP700, which is a traditional ENG style teleprompter, the TP800 conference teleprompter, and the TP900 teleprompter for PTZ cameras right here. You can connect Datavideo teleprompters to an IP network over Ethernet and connect to it using a laptop or tablet, where you can control multiple teleprompters using the web UI. You can create scripts, slideshows, and combine them into a playlist for your production. All the scripts and slideshows are saved internally in the teleprompter monitor, which means you can control the monitor from any device with an internet browser and have anyone on your production team quickly hop on and easily take control of the teleprompter and even make edits in real time. There's also a new update to dvPrompter Plus app with the HDMI in feature, allowing you to connect an external device while in your playlist and play it into the teleprompter during your presentation. So for example, in the HDMI in, my script just ended, so we can move to the HDMI in feature, which is going to be my reference monitor. This is the TP700 I have set up in front of me with my mirrorless camera filming me. And I can use this as a reference monitor to make sure that my shot's correct in the production. And you can also have this be any HDMI input that's up to 1080p at 60 frames per second. There really are a lot of options of what you can do with an additional media input playing into the middle of your presentation. So now that I'm ready to move on to the next part of my script, which is going to be the outro for this video, I can go ahead and hit next on my jog shuttle. And for control, you have many options, including a presentation remote. Any generic presentation remote will work, a jog shuttle express, or the Datavideo FS30 foot switch, all sold separately. There are links in the description below to learn more about all of Datavideo's teleprompter solutions and a tutorial on how to use the dvPrompter Plus app. You can learn more about Datavideo Teleprompter Kits at datavideo.com. Subscribe to us here on YouTube for more videos. Follow us on social media for new product updates and tips to improve your video production. Thanks for watching.